Hi, welcome back to my channel. We're actually going to do another Louis Vuitton video today. I actually haven't shown you my current wallet. As you can see the fading, I'm going to show the comparison between the Noir, the black, and also the Blanc, the white Zippy multicolor coin purse, of which I just got. As you can see the difference in these two, as you know, as you can see the quality in the white is obviously more crisp than the faded one I have on the black. Unfortunately, my favourite was the black for a while, and it very much is one of the most popular, and this Noir colour actually sells better now the multicolour range is discontinued. The Zippy coin purse you can still get in the monogram. You're looking around $500 Australian for the general monogram canvas Zippy, but you actually can't get the multicolour anymore. And like I said before, multicolour is pretty much my favourite pattern. The 13 colour pattern is just a fantastic design, and I'm very sad that it's been discontinued. As for an SLG, if a lot of people use basic black and white or colours, when you throw something in like this for a wallet, it just adds in a big spark. As you can see the beautiful pop of colour, especially on this white one. We can see if we go up close, we're going to look at the very detailed quality. So we have that the white canvas, and then we have basically a colour pattern, and it spins all around to the back, as we can see. And we have the traditional, as it's a one canvas roll, we have a flip of the LV. So these ones, you get a luck of the draw basically for which multicolour ratios you get. Sometimes you get some blues and golds, and usually you might get a pink and a black. These aren't always the same though, as we can see. If we compare to the Noir, we've got some blues, we've got a pink, we have no black on that same front. So it does actually change between each canvas, which is interesting. You get a little luck of the draw, and you can have a search of which ones you want. So you're probably wondering why they look a bit different. So the black one's actually full at the moment because it is my current wallet. So you see this is a fantastic wallet. It's actually called the Zippy coin purse, but this is more than adequate for a wallet because you can fit multiple cards. If I show the inside, so the reason you're probably wondering is why I have a somewhat faded one. Unfortunately, when I bought it, I thought it wasn't as faded. With the multicolour canvas on these wallets, they do, as you can see if I get up close. So this is a faded version. They do get a bit scratched, and it seems to rub off in this material more prevalent than the original monogram. Especially, and these so here's the tag if you want to see the comparison. These also rub as well. That's a pretty normal thing with the enamel. These start to rub off. As you can see the white one is in better condition, but this is purely for a comparison. You can see you can pick, regardless if it's faded or not, which one your favourite is. I think the pink shows up really nice on this black. It just works a bit better. I do like both though. It doesn't actually worry me. So you see if we compare the enamel on both, the white, we've got a nice, still in very, very good condition as I just got it. And this is just a little bit rubbed. So the black one, this is actually somewhat what it was like when I did buy it. So this one I use Zippy coin purse, and I bought this as my wallet goes everywhere. It does throw it around a bit, goes in tennis bags and in the door bins of the car. So it does scrape on a few things, and I don't like to be overly careful with my products because I don't want it to limit your lifestyle. Of course, it is just a good, even though they're expensive. So you can see the zip. It's just so easy, the Zippy coin purse, just a one zip. And see inside, the reason why I got it is because it's beautiful fuchsia inside, the pop of pink. So we have black and pink, and as I said, the black and pink just looks beautiful together. So you can see what we have. So we've got space for our notes in here and some cards which I just throw in. We also have another little deposit for coins in there, and another one here. So it is just perfect. You can scrunch up some notes, put some coins in. As we see, we have a few card slots on each side. We got about I think it's 3 or 4. We have one slipping out the back here. You can sneak a few in there. It actually will be more versatile than the amount. It doesn't have as many as a large wallet, but you will be able to fit as many. Like, look how many cards I've got in here. I've got around 10. And if we look into the have a guess what's going to be the color inside the white, it is, as you can see, this is the color. It actually looks quite cute with the white as well. A lot of them are the tanned interior, which I wasn't looking for. I do like my pops of color. So a comparison between the two in the color, we have a bit of fuchsia and a bit of blue, They both look good. My favourite, as probably for many, is that fuchsia colour. It just looks great against the black, as we can see. So the same in here. So this is where we can actually see exactly what we have. So we've got 1, 2, and 3 card slots on either side of the Zippy coin purse. 1, 2, 3. And then we have our positioning in here that we can throw notes and coins. So it actually isn't fitted, as you say. It is a coin purse. It isn't fitted for notes or bills, but all you have to do is crunch it up. Or fold them in two, and they fit easily in here. And mostly things these days are on card. You don't really need to carry that much cash. A little coin deposit in there, and then another slot on this side. There's actually a little penny that came with it. That's a bit of a Easter egg there. All right, so you've seen the little rundown of those two. Beautiful. I'd highly recommend if you're looking for a wallet and you're not a huge, carrying 50 cards around. These are just beautiful. So we see the top here. This is where the most prevalent fading. Oh, got some coins throwing out there. This is where the most prevalent fading is, unfortunately, on my Noir one. On the bottom, as we can see. So this what will happen if you get one second hand or pre-loved that has been probably they've been thrown in their handbag and maybe scratches against their car keys or other things in their bag. This will actually happen in the canvas. There's a few products that you just unfortunately you can't keep as well as you'd like. This is somewhat, as I said, I actually did buy it in the faded print because it was a better deal. Looking at them now, you'd think you'd want to get one closer to this, to that standard, but you know, it still looks good even though it's faded. Those things don't concern me overly too much. So you can see the print on the bottom. This is the stars trying the flower is starting to hold out there. So you can see the difference in the two. You can hardly see on the black, unfortunately, but you don't see that part much. You can see, take your pick. What's your favourite? The white or the black? They're both absolutely beautiful. Comes in a little box here, and we have the little care card booklet. If I flip it around, well, no, it's this side. Is it? Yep, it's that side. The monogram multicolor in French, which is great. Which I don't speak, and it probably has English somewhere in it, but actually haven't looked through it. It's probably just the little care booklet. So you see, Monogram Multicolor was created by Takashi Murakami for Louis Vuitton, and it was just a fantastic collaboration. You know, what could you do better? It's just absolutely beautiful on SLGs. I know some people prefer just the original monogram on large bags because of how drastic and overcoming, or how loud they can be. It is a loud print, this 13 colour switch pattern, but on little tiny wallets it's absolutely beautiful. So hopefully enjoy this little comparison of the two Zippy coin purses in the Noir and the Blanc, the white and the black, and let me know what you think. Which one's your favourite? What would you be picking? And are you going to be collecting these now they're all discontinued? Because I certainly love them, and you can see the extent it does grow to. It is just a fantastic Zippy coin purse wallet. Perfect for most people. I'd say you wouldn't need more than that. I wouldn't even bother looking in the larger range because you can save a bit of money if you buy it brand new or second hand, and you can get one in multicolour. And also, you have more than enough space, and it'll just be so compact. You can see that's how it fits in the hand. It is very, very small. You know, this is a small box here. You know, it fits in so easily. The large wallets, as I said, you carry so much. It is not necessary. These are gorgeous. It is more than enough you need. Which ones you prefer? Let me know, and I'll be posting hopefully some more videos as I'll be getting a lot of little products coming through in and out. Hopefully enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.